So hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you're doing great. And today we're going to be going to make a website from Frontend Mentor, which is going to be this website. And I already downloaded the assets, and now we're going to make this website in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, as you know, we're going to open in HTML file, and I also put this links of the illustrations and also PNG files into this file. And now to connect Tailwind with HTML, we're going to open the Tailwind CSS, and now we're just going to copy this script. Okay, we're copying it, and we should put it under the title. So here, to check if it's working, I'm going to give class for the body with background color black. Let's check. So homework video, I'm going to open index.html. It's working. And now let's see from Google Chrome. Okay, it's also working. So now, first, what we're going to do is that we're going to open a container, and inside of it I'm going to put a box and also an image, so that for the box, can you see the pattern is a lot more than for the image, right? So to make it happen, we're going to make like one box and one image, and also we're going to use for container flex row, flex row, so that they will stay in one line. So inside of container, let's say that background will be white, and that will be flex row, and that's all for now. And background is not black, but let's do it at the very end with colors. So background black, and what do we need? We need flex row, and we need to put justify center, so that everything will be in the center, right? So now let's see, and this will happen because I didn't write anything inside of the container. So inside of container, firstly, as I said, we need to open a box. Let's say it will be flex, which is flex call, right? And inside of it, let's write something, which is the first text, which is stay updated, right? And under this we have paragraph, join 60,000 plus something, right? So here's the text of it. You can also find it in the Frontend Mentor assets. And after this, can you see here there is a little hard moment? So here, as you can see, there are 3 ticks, which is PNG files, and also there is a text, right? So what we can do is that we can open one div for this talent column and one more column for text and connect it into the row, right? So let's make it happen. Flex row. Inside of it, there is going to be one more flex, which is going to be flex call, which is flex column. And let's write it. So there is image, source, icon list, it's SVG file. Okay, so we're going to copy it, paste, and paste. And after this, there is also those texts, and we need one more flex. We need to write flex call, and here's paragraph. So first text is product, something matters. Okay, copy, paste. And after this, there is one more P. Let's make one more P. So second one is mirroring till success, and one more, and much more. So we're going to copy it. And now the thing that we're going to do is, okay, so there is email address also. And there is also input. So inside of input, first of all, we're going to make type email, and now placeholder, which is going to be email something company.com. We're also going to copy it. So under that we have button, which is subscribe to monthly newsletter. Okay, so let's check it. Where is it? Is it this one? Okay, then let's open from Chrome. Here you can see. And now we need to also add an image after this big flux call. Image, source, illustration, sign up. Let's make it like this. Okay, so now it looks a lot better, right? So now the thing that we should do is to make this container, fit the size of it. So for that, for body, for the container, firstly let's give its width. First of all, let's try 250. It's okay, right? Because everything is going to become bigger and so on. Or let's make it 230. Now for borders, we're going to use 3XL. So can you see it's a bit like that? And now we're going to use margin top 20. So it's going to stay in the middle. So now inside of this flex column, this box, we're going to add padding, let's say 10. I think that we need to make widths like 270 maybe, and padding is going to be 15. And for image, we're also going to give class, and with padding like 4, let's say. It's not working right. 4 is maybe 2. Or 4 was okay. And now for width, we're going to give it 250. It's a lot better, right? Or let's give padding like 5 maybe. Okay. So now we're going to improve all of this. So first let's start with stay updated. We're going to give class, of course. And now to change the size of it, we should write text, and for example 5XL. It's like closes. 5XL, no, or maybe yes, but let's try 6XL, and we should make it wide, right? Bold. So for that we need font bold. I guess it was like that. Yeah, it's okay. And now we need margin bottom 6, let's say. Let everything be 6. Yeah, it's good. So now join something. Can you see it finished at monthly? So we need to make it a bit bigger, or we can use also tracking. Tracking means letter spacing, like the space around the letters will become wider. So let's use wide. Can you see? It became like wider. And now we need also margin bottom, which is going to be 6. Yeah, it looks better. And now for this flex row. Firstly, let's give it a gap for about 2. This gap, can you see? Yeah. And for here, let's give gap 6. Yeah. And also for this one, we're going to give gap 6. Maybe it's a bit too much. Let's give it gap 5. Yeah, it looks better. And now this box is here. We need margin bottom also 6, right? Yeah. So now email address, can you see here it's like a bit bolder, but it's a bit smaller. So let's give it class font bold, and also text, let's give it LG. LG means large. It's too large than SM, which means small. I think it's better. Yes. So now for input type and so on, we need also class. And inside of the class, we're going to write border firstly, then border black, let's say. Can you see it's better? And now we need width. No, let's give it height of 25. Or is it too much? It's too much. Okay, 15. Now let's make it 13 and also round it like Excel. It looks better, right? And now we need also flex row. No, we don't need it. Sorry. We need margin left for like 10, so that this email something company will move here. Okay, we need padding 6. My bad. Is it too much? Yeah. Let's make it 4. Okay, it's better. And we also need margin top for like 2 maybe. Yeah, it's better. And now subscribe to monthly newsletter. It's a button, right? So we also need class. We need background. Let's make it for now indigo, like 800. And width is going to be 150. No, let's make it 96. Okay. Then let's make it 100. Why isn't it working? 150 maybe? Okay, it's too much. 130. Then 105 or 110. Yeah, 109. And let's make it rounded like Excel. Oi. And also here the height was 13, right? So we should also give here height 13. Okay, let be just 110. And also text color should be white. So we're writing here like this. And we also need margin top, which is going to be 6. Looks a lot better, right? So here, now we need to change colors. So for that, we have to go to the website, which is TAILWIND CSS. And here you can see, the options or the things which you can see and use in your projects. Here's colors. So let's see which one is the most similar to this one. I feel like gray maybe, or slate 800. So here let's write slate 800. Looks like that, like this one, right? Or is it just me? Or let's try it gray. Okay, gray is better. Or yeah, I think it's better. And now we should change the color of this one. Actually, there was, you know what? Zip file. Yeah, here was style guide. Maybe we'll find something useful there. Or no. Okay, there's nothing useful. And now the color of this one. Can you see it's kind of like this? Let's try to search it. Let's make it like this. It's probably slate 950. Where is our button? Here. Slate 950. Wait. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Or let's try it like 900. Yeah, it looks like that, like this one. So now let's also change the color of this text. Okay, let me copy it. Where is our H1? So here, text, slate 900. Let's see if it changed. Yeah, it did change. So here, I think I finished. Did I? Yeah, okay, I finished, guys. I really hope that was useful for you, and I could explain also about the Tailwind and more about the website. Here you can also see box size and display. You can also see justify items, and here are some examples shown. So padding, margin, like how you can use it. For example, padding bottom, padding left, padding right. There is also grid. This grid is really the easiest one, as teacher told. Where was it? Okay, somewhere you'll find it. I really hope it was useful, and bye. So guys, I realized that I still didn't finish it because we still need to do mobile version. So to do that, we firstly need to write MD flex row so that it's going to stay like this instead of row. It's going to stay like column. So here, if we're going to save this, then it's going to give us this result. Let's open it with Google Chrome. I'm sorry for some noises. It's going to be like this. So with the file version. Thank you.